Kindly ask
You
again.
said that you will check the diagram for the previous experiment as well.
Yes, sir. You said you will
Yes.
reconsider.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I will. I will check. I will check your file and reconsider your marks also. Not to worry. Okay, I am going to wait another 2 or 3 minutes. Then after that, I am going to start our next experiment. Okay, because only 20 students are there. I am waiting for another 10 more students. I am waiting for another 2 or 3 minutes. Then after that, we are going to start.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, beta.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, last time I was absent, so may I upload my gas welding file now?
Yes, you can. You can.
And the other one also,
Excuse me.
fitting.
Beta, I think you have to upload in your section only, because when I will download it, then it must not create a problem for me. Just 1 second, I am going to make one more file there, one more folder, so that you will upload your files. 1 second. 1 CSC 5Y.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta. Yes. Tell me.
Sir, do we have to make diagrams of the tools also
Yes, beta.
in the fitting shop?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir,
Sir,
only for
but
the
in the
tools and the joints.
PDF, but there is no diagram of tools in that.
I think in the PPT which I have shown to you, in that PPT you have the diagrams.
So yes, but the PDF file which you have shared, there is no
Beta,
diagram
Sir,
of
it
that
only
that.
has the diagrams of the joints.
Beta, that file is only for your helping purpose. Not for that purpose you have to just copy that file. Okay, that is not the purpose of that file. Okay, beta.
Okay,
Not to
sir.
worry, if you have not make it, no problem, you can make next time, but I am just informing you, the purpose of that file is the only to help you how, what types and how you can write. You have to write it by yourself. You can take the help from the Google, and I have already shared many things with you. I have shared the PPT, I have shared the video, I have shared the PDF file. You can take the help from that. Okay, there is nothing like that only you have to write only from the PDF. That is not the purpose. Getting my point, beta?
Okay. No, sir.
Yes. Give me a second, then after that we are going to start.
So we have to make the diagrams of joints and the tools only,
Yes.
or anything else.
No, that is sufficient. And one thing more,
Yes, sir.
all the students, please upload your files of the fitting shop in the folder. One fitting shop folder is there. You can upload from there. Okay.
Sir, may I upload my gas welding file in the gas welding folder only?
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, actually, last time I submitted my experiment, but the PDF was created wrong and two pages were repeated. Please consider that.
ठीक है जा
So your section is 1 CSC 5Y. I am correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now students, we are going to start. Students, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to start our experiment. In the yesterday class, in the last class, we have covered with the fitting shop, right? And before that class, we have covered with the welding shop, welding shop. We have covered two experiments. The first one is welding shop, in which we have already done T joint, butt joint with the help of the gas welding and arc welding, right, students? And what we have done in the our fitting shop, who can tell me what we
Sir,
have made?
sir, square joint, V joint, half round joint, and doveta joint.
Yes, good beta. Now today we are going with our third experiment, that is your work casting shop. We will do the casting shop today. Foundry shop. We can also say it as a foundry shop. Wait for a second. I need to add. Yes, students. Mr. Sagar,
Yes, sir.
any doubt in the your first and second experiment?
No, sir. No doubt.
Any other student who have doubt? Yuvraj, Nikita,
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
any
No
doubt,
doubt.
beta? All of you, please mute yourself. All of you, please mute yourself.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please give me your name, beta.
Sir, Anshuman Garg,
Roll number
349.
349. Yes, Anshuman. You are absent in the last class.
Yes, sir. I actually had my entrance exam, so I was not able to attend it. And
Okay.
actually, I have just a small doubt. Can you explain the dovetal and the V joint, how to cut them from the square piece?
Yes, why not? Have you seen my video?
Yes, sir. Seen.
Okay, okay, no problem. We will take it at the end.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
we will take your query at the end. Yes. Any other doubt to anyone? Okay, students. Now,
Sir, I have a doubt.
yes, give me your name, beta.
Sir, Ariman 342.
342 RMN. You are absent in the welding technology shop.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in that it was written nozzle for thicker matter should be wider.
Yes.
Sir, why?
If better thicker material is thicker nozzle is there, then what do you mean by it? You need basically a high temperature, high amount of gas to react, right beta? Because you need the higher temperature
Okay, sir.
for that purpose only. Yes, any other doubt? Okay, we will take your query at the last also. Okay, today I am going to do, we have already completed our two experiment, welding shop and fitting shop. Today I am going to proceed towards the foundry shop, right? These are the list of experiment. I have already explained you in the first and second experiments. This is our workshop lab. I have already explained in the first where you have to do the work and where we are doing which type of shop. Today, our aim of today lab is to make a single piece and double piece pattern mold. That is your foundry shop. This is the aim of the experiment, to make green sand mold using single and double piece pattern. We are making only mold to make green sand mold using single and double piece pattern. Now, All of you, please see carefully this diagram. This diagram only can help you to explain how you have to do. You can see here, just 1 second. Here, there are two boxes are there. This one and this one. These are two boxes. These two boxes are known as these are the separate boxes basically. The scope and drag are separate boxes. They can easily separate with each other. Okay, in which we have to put the green sand. In this scope and drag, we are going to put the green sand. Okay, and we have firstly we will put this drag onto the bottom board. Firstly, we will put this drag on the bottom board. Then after that, we will put the green sand in it. Then after that, we will put the cope in it, cope on above to drag. Then after that, we will put again the green sand. I will tell you, I will show you, then you are able to understand. Wait, I will come back on this slide. I will come back on this slide when you are able to understand different types of parts. Wait for some time. This is the casting mold. This casting mold means you can make such type of shape. For making such type of shape, you are using the casting mold. If I want this Spider-Man or this cartoon I want to make, then I can use such type of casting mold. When I will join this casting mold and put the molten material in it, then what will happen? The same shape will come. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
If I will combine, if I will put this part on above of this and put the molten material in it, put the molten material in this shape, when it will cool down, then what will happen? The same shape will come or not? The same shape will come.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
so our experiment is to make a casting mold. Our experiment is to make a mold of single piece pattern or double piece pattern. Like in this shape, I need two shapes, two pattern. This is the double piece pattern. If only single piece is required to make, then you can say it as a single piece. Like in this shape, if I want to make such type of shape, if I want to make only such type of shape, then I can make it in the single piece. If I want to make such type of shape, this is the double piece pattern. Like, or what you can say, if the shape is like this, if the shape is like this, I can't make it in the single piece. I need to divide this pattern into the two parts. On the first box, I will make this shape. On the second box, I will make this shape. This is known as a double piece pattern. And if I need to make only such type of shape, I can make easily with the help of the single piece. Or if I need to make such type of shape, then I can't make it in the single piece. I need to make it in the double piece. This blank space is basically known as the casting mold. Students, are you able to understand what do you mean by the mold? And what is the difference between single piece pattern and double piece pattern?
Yes, sir.
Students, I need the response from all of you.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of mold?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by single piece pattern? What do you mean by double piece pattern? Okay, so what we are going to do today, we are going to make such type of shapes. Today task is to make such, how we can make such type of shape with the help of the sand. That is our today experiment. Now, for this, what you need, what do you mean by the term which I am using basically? What do you mean by mold? What do you mean by pattern? Mold is sand mass with cavity used to pour molten metal for casting process. Means, what do you mean by mold? This is mold. This blank space is known as the mold in which you are going to put the molten material. Now, what do you mean by pattern? Pattern is the replica of the object to be cast with certain allowances. What do you mean by pattern, beta? If I need to make this shape on the sand, then how I can make? I need to make some replica shape of wood. I can make it with the help of the wood, or I can make any metal. Firstly, what I will do, I will make the same replica shape which I need to make with the help of the wood or metal. That shape is known as the pattern. The pattern which you are using, you have to use some allowances in it, because when you are going to pour molten material in this mold, then some shrinkage will be there, because when you are pouring the material, that is in the molten stage. When you are taking out this material from the mold, then that time it is in the solid state. When the material is going from molten to solid, then some shrinkage will be there. That's why we are providing the shrinkage allowances at the time of making the pattern. Students, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
What is pattern? Who can tell me what is pattern? Who can tell me?
A pattern is the shape in which we want to cast a metal.
No. And kindly tell again, beta. What is your roll number? Roll number?
351. 351.
351 part. Yes, beta, part.
Yes, sir.
What is
The
pattern, beta?
The pattern is the shape in the mold in which we pour the molten metal in order to give the molten metal
Again
the
wrong.
shape.
Again wrong path. Wait. You are saying a shape in the mold. No. Pattern is basically a replica of the object which is helping you to make a mold. Okay. Like firstly, if I need, just 1 second, Parth, if I need, just see here, if I need this shape on the sand, okay,
Yes,
then firstly, what I will do, I will make this shape with the help of the wood, or any metal. Then the piece of the wood or metal which I need to make the same shape which I need to make on the sand is known as the pattern. This is the pattern which is made up of wood or metal. Then blank space, the blank space is known as the mold.
Okay, sir.
Parth, are you able to understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
It is clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now who can tell me what do you mean by mold? Who can tell me? Give with your roll number. Firstly, give me your roll number.
0328.
328. Sagar. Yes, beta, Sagar.
Sir, it is a cavity in which we pour the molten material so that
Correct.
we can get the desired shape.
100% correct. Now, who can tell me what do you mean by pattern? Who can tell me? Roll number, beta. Firstly, give me your roll number.
326.
326. Lakshika, please set your voice also, because your voice is coming very low. Lakshika?
Yes.
Yes,
sir,
beta.
It is the replica of an object.
Yes, replica of the object to be cast with certain allowances. Why there is a need of allowances, beta, Lakshika? Can you tell me?
Excuse me, sir, may I?
Sir, as that is in
1 minute, beta. One by one. Yes, beta.
So you told as that is in the molten form.
Yes. Then?
So just because of that.
No, beta, no. This is not that. Right answer. Basically, you have not explained well. Lakshika, any other student? Firstly, who want to explain?
Yes, sir.
Roll number
349.
349. Anshuman. Anshuman. Yes, beta Anshuman.
Sir, certain allowances are there because whenever it is in the molten state, and when we pour it into the cavity, it gets shrinked. So because of that shrinkage, certain allowances must be there.
Yes, correct. 100% correct. Okay. The patterns used in sand casting may be may be made of wood, metal, plastic, or any other materials. Okay, it can be of any material like wood, metal, plastic, or any other material you can use to make a pattern. Okay, students, are you able to understand, beta, what is mold, what is pattern?
Yes.
Yes, good. Beta, this is our foundry shop in which we will do the work. When our college will open, we will do the work in this place only for doing the foundry shop, for doing the foundry experiment. All the experiment will be done again when we will reach to the college. Okay, beta? This is the space. I will tell you. I will explain you. Now, this is the one of the important slide. These are the foundry tools which you are going to use for the experiment. This one is known as the hand riddle. Hand riddle. H-A-N-D, hand riddle. It is used for riding of sand to remove foreign material from it. It consists of a wooden frame fitted with a screen of stand and wire mesh at the bottom. Please listen again. What is the use of hand riddle? It is used for riding of sand to remove foreign material from it. It consists of a wooden frame fitted with a screen of stand and wire mesh at the bottom. This is the hand riddle. Any doubt in hand riddle? What
Yes,
is the
sir.
use of hand riddle? To
Sir?
remove the foreign material from the sand. Is it okay, beta?
Sir, is
Yes,
there
sir.
any other picture of this hand riddle actually in the picture?
Okay. Are you able to see this part? This
Yes,
one?
sir. But this is also a bit.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
the
I will
hand
try.
riddle is like a save, right? With the way we used to remove stuff from atta in kitchen.
Yes,
Chhanni.
the
It's
same
like a
thing.
chutney if we say
You
in
can
Hindi.
say it as a big chalni. Yes, it is basically used here to remove the extra material from the sand. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Now understood.
Now, the next part is your this one. This one. This is known as the trowel. Trowels. Trowels. These are used for finishing flat surface. These are used for finishing flat surfaces and corners inside a mold. Common shapes of trowels are shown, such type of shape, and one more type of the trowel can also be used. I am showing you here. I'm trying to make it for you. Such type of trowel can also be used. Okay, this is also known as the trowel. This is also known as the trowel. Basically, what is the difference between these trowel? These are the shapes of the trowel. The shape of this one is this, to make a corner in the pattern, in the mold, and it is used to make a flat surface. These part is known as the trowel. I will show, when I will show you the video, then you are able to understand the proper use of this trowel. Okay. And one more the picture of this is not available. I will tell you later. And the next part is basically this one and this one, both. These both are known as the rammer. R-A-M-M-E-R-S, rammers. Rammers are used for striking the sand mass in the molding box to pack it closely around one pattern. What do you mean by it? Rammers are using to striking the sand, to press the sand in the cope and drag. I will show you the cope and drag. These rammers are used to pressing the sand in the cope and drag. Okay, beta. Now, after that, this is known as the mallet. M-A-L-L-E-T. Mallet. It is similar wooden mallet as that case in the carpentry work. We are using in the carpentry shop also. I will tell you, in foundry shop, it is used for driving the draw spike into the pattern and then wrapping it. Means when you are using the sand here, like here, these sand particles are in the closed shape. For pressing it and to make it in the fine shape. To making it in the fine shape, you are using the rammer. Here you can see here, loads of closed structure of the sand is there. To convert it into the fine pattern. To convert it into the fine pattern, you are using the mallet. Students, are you able to understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is clear to all of you? Now, these two rods are known as the sprue and riser. I will tell you the working of this sprue and riser when I will show you the video. Then only you are able to understand the exact meaning, exact use of this sprue and riser. And these are the pins which we are using to take out the pattern from the sand. These are the pattern. This is a single piece pattern. If I need to make this shape, then I can make it in a single box. If I need this shape, then I need to make it in the double box. Double pattern means I need to divide upper part and lower part. For making this shape, I need the double pattern. And for making this shape, I need a single piece pattern. This is a wooden rod which is basically used to clean out extra sand from the cope and drag. This is wooden rod which is mainly used to remove the extra sand from the cope and drag. I will show you the cope and drag. Cope and drag. All these tools we are going to use to make in this to work on the single piece pattern and double piece pattern. The first one, it is known as the trowel. Trowels can be of the different shapes, like this shape to make a corner shape. This is a rectangular shape to just make a rectangular pattern. Then after that, these two are basically known as the rammer. This pattern we are going to use for the double piece pattern. If this type of pattern we need to make, then we are going to use the double piece pattern. If we need to make such type of shape, then we can do with the help of the single piece pattern. These are the pins. This is known as the hand riddle. This is a mallet. Now, who can tell me what is the use of mallet?
Sir, to closely compact the
roll
sand.
Number. 351. Hemang, 340, yes, tell me beta.
Some mallet is used to press to break the sand
Into the
into
fine
fine
materials.
particles.
Yes,
Fine.
fine particles.
Yes, sir.
Right, beta. Good. Any doubt in these tools, beta?
No, sir.
The screw and riser, screw and riser, I will tell you when we will do the experiment. Cope and drag, I am going to show you just for 1 minute. And any other doubt in any other tool except cope and drag and except screw and riser?
Sir,
Yes.
in mallet, we can use mallet in order to closely pack the sand when we
Yes.
are putting the when we are making the mold.
Beta, for that purpose you are going to use the rammer for close the sand in the cope and drag. Then you will use the rammer, not mallet. Mallet is used to basically to convert the hard material of the sand into the fine material. Like sometime you have seen here, such types of blocks are there, right? Are you able to see, beta? So to convert this box into the fine particles, you are using the mallet. For packing the cope and drag with the sand, you are using the rammer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, what are those tools at the last?
Where? This one?
Yes, sir.
These are the pins.
Okay.
I will show you. When you need to
Sir,
take
what
out.
is the use of trowels?
What is the use of?
Trowels.
Where is trowels? This one.
Yes. Yes,
Trowel
sir.
is basically used to make a shape in the mold. If I need to make some particularly a corner type shape, okay, then you will not get the exact shape with the help of the pattern. Then you can use with the help of this trowel. Okay, to I will show you. I will show you the working. Wait for some minute. Now, this one is known as the cope and drag, in which you will put your pattern, sand. These are two parts. The upper part is known as the cope. This is the upper part, in which you can see the extra material is there. This is the upper part. Okay, this is known as the cope, and the lower portion is known as the drag, drag, and upper portion is known as the cope, cope. Cope. Remember, just learn. Just remember these two words, cope and drag. Upper part is known as the cope, the lower portion is known as the drag. These are total tools which you are going to use: trowel, rammer, mallet, wooden rod, pattern, pin, screw and riser, your hand riddle, and cope and drag. All these are the tools which you are going to use today for the single piece and double piece pattern. Is it okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now, these are the shape which we can make, like I have shown you uh, this part. Yes, this part. This shape I am going to show you in the cope and drag. When I will make it, then such type of shape will come in the sand. I will show you the working. I will show you the video in which you are able to understand. I will come back again on the previous slides. Firstly, see the video. Just a second. This is our lab only, our MIT University lab. These are the lab attendants. I think the video is not coming properly. Just 1 second. I want to show you one more part. This one. This one is basically known as the shovel, which is not there in the tool. Are you able to see beta this shovel?
Yes, sir.
This is known as the shovel. This shovel is using to mix the sand. Oh, what happened? Now who can tell me what is this by which they are just pressing it? What is this?
Mallet.
This is known as
Mallet.
the
Mallet.
and what is this which is in their hand?
Shovel.
This is the board. This is a board right now in which on which they will put the cope and drag. This is a board. Okay, beta. Who can tell me with what is the name of this part? Cope or drag?
Cope.
This one.
Cope, sir.
And this one?
Drag.
Drag, sir.
Good. Firstly, you have to put the drag on the board. They are going to make the double piece pattern. Okay, I have shown you, I think, this part. The firstly what you have to do, you have to put this one part of the pattern on the drag. This sand, this is a parting sand. This is a parting sand. This is not a green sand. This is a parting sand which is used to separate the your green sand with the pattern. Okay, they will not other when you will not use this parting sand, then what will happen, that will stick with each other. Okay, to remove the stickness from the green sand, we are using the parting sand. They are just throwing the parting sand. Now you are able to see what is the use of these two. What is these? What are these?
Rammers.
Rammers. What is the use of rammer?
It is used to press the sand in cope and drag.
Yes. For pressing from the corner, so that's why there are the two different types of your rammers are there. Now You can see the use of your wooden rod. Now you can see here. Now you can see here. Your pattern is coming here. After that, what you will do? You will put this cork on above to the drag. Then after that, on the same way, you will put the another part of your pattern. Then after that, you will put the parting sand so that it will not stick. Then after that, you are going to use these two rods. These are sprue and riser. What is the use of sprue and riser? Why there is a need to put this sprue and riser? Now listen carefully. This one is known as the sprue and this one is known as the riser. The riser is used to pouring the what will happen when you will put this sprue and riser, then two small holes will generate in it, right? Two small holes will generate in the sand. What is the use of that? Basically, with the help of this rod, this hole, this blank space, your molten material will insert. Your molten material will insert from this rod. From this rod, your molten material will come. And the use of this rod is basically to check whether your material is filled in the mold or not. To check whether your molten material is filled in the mold or not, you are using this rod. And the second use of this rod, to escape out the hot gases. Because when you will put the molten material in it, means it is very hot condition. When it is in the hot condition, means the hot gases will generate. These hot gases, there is a need to come out the hot gases. So that's why we are putting this hole. We are using this hole. There are two holes will come with the help of the sprue and riser. This hole is using to pour the molten material into the mold, and the second hole is used to check whether your molten material is filled completely or not, and the second use of this is to escape out the hot gases. Now you are able to understand better the use of this sprue and riser.
So can you please explain again?
Okay, no problem. The use of this, okay, what you will do, you will just see the video, then after that you are able to understand. If you are not able to understand, then I will try to explain it again. Okay, just see here. What are you doing beta now? You are just pressing again the sand in the cork. You have pressed two parts, the other part of your pattern, and these two rods. Sprue and riser. This one is known as the sprue and this one is known as the riser.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, riser we have to put inside that pattern and the screw will be in the sand.
Yes. No, not in the pattern, just above the pattern. You will put this riser just above the pattern. I can show you again here. You will put the pattern here, riser here, and sprue here. Sprue will be at 5 centimeter or 10 centimeter distance. 5 okay, maximum sir. 5 centimeter from the sprue, from the riser, sorry. Okay, the difference between sprue and riser is maximum 5 centimeter. Okay, beta. This riser you will put above the pattern and this sprue is on the sand only. I will tell you again the use of these two, not to worry. What they have done now, they have just pressed this sprue and riser with the sand. Now again they have pressed it. Students, are you able to see how they are doing?
Yes, sir.
Now after that, what you have to do, you have to take it out, this sprue and riser from the sand. Now see beta, who has asked me, who is not able to understand the concept of sprue and riser? Can you give me your name beta?
Sir, Nibir Maram Deka, 0348.
0348, Nibir. Nibir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nibir beta. Now just see here. You have taken it out, your sprue and riser. Have you seen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now from here, this part is known as the sprue. This part is basically is this. Now what happened when you will taken it out, sprue and riser, then one hole will generate. One hole will
Yes,
generate
sir.
inside the sand. With the help of this hole, you will pour your molten material. With the help of this sprue hole, this hole is known as the sprue hole, and this hole is known as the riser hole. With the help of this sprue hole, what you will do, you will pour your molten material. The use of this sprue hole is to put the molten material. Nibir, it is clear the use of sprue hole?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Now, what is the use of this riser hole? This riser hole is to check whether your molten material is completely filled in the mold or not. The use of riser hole is to check your molten material is completely filled in the molten material in the mold or not. And the second use of riser is to escape out hot gases, because inside the molten material is there. If hot gases will not come out, then what will happen? Then this sand will break out. So that's why we are making the hole, so that your hot gases will come out from here. You will put molten material from here and the hot gases will come out from here, from riser hole. You will put molten material from sprue hole, and from riser hole your hot gases will come out. Is it clear now beta Nibir?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Excuse me,
Sure.
sir.
Yes beta.
Yes, sir.
Give me your name firstly.
Sir,
Who have-
Anshuman Garg, 349.
349. Anshuman. Yes beta.
Sir, I understood the role of the riser hole, that it allows the gases to escape and we can through it check the quantity of the molten material. Sir, then
Yes.
what is the use of the screw hole?
Sprue hole. Sprue. S-P-R-U-E.
Okay.
Sprue hole. S-P-R-U-E. Not screw. That
Okay.
is sprue. S-P-R-U-E.
Yes,
Okay
sir,
beta?
screw hole.
Sprue hole. The use of sprue hole. From where you will put the molten material? Molten material will go from where?
Sir, it will
The
not go through that from the riser hole.
No. Your molten material will go from sprue hole, and this riser hole is to use only to escape out the hot gases.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay. Any doubt, beta? Just give me a second. I will play the video again where we have left. We have now. We have just escape out your screw and riser. Then after that, what they are doing, just see here. They are just make a hole of your screw hole much bigger so that your molten material will go in proper manner. To insert molten material in proper manner, they have just made a big hole. Now, just see here what they are doing. They are just separate out your scope and drag. Now, these are your pattern which you have inserted in the sand. Now there is a need to escape out. Now there is a need to escape out these pattern so that you are able to see the mold in which you will put the molten material. What they are doing, they are just pressing the mold. They are just pressing the pattern so that it will come out easily. Now this is a use of pin. Are you able to see the pin? With the help of this pin, you can easily catch out your pattern. Now you can see the shape. Now you can see the shape. This shape is known as the mold. This blank shape is known as the mold. And this one which is in the hand, this is known as the pattern. Now you will take it out, this mold from here, this pattern from here, sorry. Yes. Now you can see both the shape. What is this? These are the mold. Now, what they are doing? They are making a path because your molten material come from here. For molten material, there is a need to go this molten material inside the mold. So they are making a path through which your molten material will go. The molten material will come here, and with the help of this path, it will come in the mold. Now, they have just closed it. Now they have again closed it. Now what will happen? Inside this mold is there, and your molten material will go from here. Your molten material will go from here. Then they have made the path for it. Then from that path, your molten material will come in the mold, and the hot gases will come out from this riser hole. Are you able to understand, students?
Yes, sir.
It is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You want to see this video again? What they are doing, they are just making a hole on the sand also, because sometimes this space is not sufficient for escaping out the hot gases. So what they are doing, they are just making some holes, small holes on the sand also, so that if any other more gases are there, it will easily come out, escape out. That is all about your double piece pattern or single piece pattern. If single piece pattern is there, then there is no need to put the second pattern. If single piece is there, if double piece is there, like this, we have used both cope and drag. Now just see again. If you have any doubt, then you can tell me. Just see again. Who can tell me what they are doing? Which sand is this?
Parting sand.
Parting sand.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, when
Give
we
me
have
your roll number.
349.
349. Anshuman. Yes, beta. Anshuman.
Sir, when we have created a small path so that the molten material could flow out in the end, so all of the molten material flows out, or there is any excess of which it flows out?
From where? The path which we have made.
Yes, sir. In the last, when we make
In
a
the
path.
last, beta, with the help of that path only, your molten material will come in the mold. You have put your molten material in the sprue hole.
Yes, sir.
Then after that, when your molten material will come in the sprue hole, then there is a need to come in the mold.
Yes, sir.
How it will come in the mold? They will make a one path. Okay, with the help of that path only, your molten material will come into the mold.
Okay, sir.
Now from here, beta, from here, when from the upper side you will put the molten material, from here your material, you are making a path for your molten material basically. When from the upper side your from sprue hole your material, molten material is coming, and it will be come in this mold. Okay beta,
Okay, sir.
Anshuman?
Yes, sir.
Clear beta? Any doubt to anyone? Now coming back to the tools, now you are able to understand the tools?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the use of every tool? Any doubt to anyone?
Sir, where did we use that hand riddle?
Riddle, actually they have already used it. They have not shown you. They are just used to escape out the extra material or foreign material. They have already done it.
Okay, sir.
Now you can see here from pouring of metal. This pouring of metal, this molten material will come through your sprue. Okay. This is the way to pour the molten material. Whatever shape is inside this box, that will come. All these are the casting example. All these shapes can be easily made with the help of the casting. Apparatus which we have used, the molding flask, single piece pattern, split pattern, core, molding sand, shovel, trowel. I have already explained you. This is a procedure. I have already explained you one by one the steps which we have used to make it. These are the precautions. Check to see if the metal molds are clean and free of any greasy substance. Mold handles should be used on the metal molds. They are threaded onto the screw located on the back side of each mold. Such type of question can be asked in your viva. What is casting process? What is gating system? What are the different types of pattern? What are the benefits of sand casting? What is casting process? I have already explained you. Gating system is the system through which your molten material will come from the tell me from where the molten material will come. Sprue hole, and after that it will go to the mold. So that the system in between the sprue hole and the mold is known as the gating system. From where your molten material, you are giving the path to the molten material to come into the mold, is known as the gating system. Different types of patterns, single piece pattern, double piece pattern, and sometimes you are using the multi-piece pattern. If the shape is very difficult and you are not able to make with the help of the double piece pattern, you can use the multi-piece pattern. But in our experiment, that is only single piece and double piece pattern. What are the benefits of sand casting? The benefit of sand casting is the cost of this one is very low and easy to make. Easy to make and cost is very low. These are the benefits of sand casting. Any doubt, beta? After one thing more. Now I think you are able to understand this slide.
Yes, sir.
That is all about your today experiment. Now I
Sir?
am going. Yes, beta.
Sir, is there not any video of that pouring of molten material into the mold?
No, no, beta. That is not in our syllabus. Our experiment aim is just see. What is our experiment aim?
Okay, to just make it.
To make green sand mold, we have to make a mold using single and double piece pattern. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
That is the next part. With the help of that mold, when you are making the shape. Okay? Our today experiment aim is to make green sand mold using single and double piece pattern. Any doubt to anyone? Students, any doubt? Nibir? Roll number
No doubt,
348.
sir.
Any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
Sarang, Sarthak?
No, sir.
Okay, beta. Now I am giving you 5 minutes as a small 2 minutes as a small break, and in that break you have to upload your fitting experiment files.
Sir, the
Which I
students
am
that
going.
you said,
Yes,
sorry, sir.
beta.
Sir, you said that in
Okay.
the last practical that you would reconsider.
Yes, I will. I will. No problem.
So, sir, where do we have to upload
You
the?
have to upload the same file in the welding box in the welding experiment folder.
Okay, sir. And I have my other file too there. What do I do?
Other file means your fitting shop, fitting
No,
experiment.
no, sir. The welding file which you said that you will reconsider later, so it is also there. So I
Yes,
was
yes, no
thinking.
problem. I am here, and I whatever file is there, according to the time, I will check it right now and I will tell you. No problem.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I
Thank
have
you.
also uploaded the file again by
Yes, yes, no problem,
making
beta. No
the
problem.
diagrams again.
No problem. Right now, time is
Sir, I have
2:31. Right now, yes, beta.
sir, I have uploaded my welding file for the first time, and I haven't given my Viva also. You said that you will take it in this class,
Yes,
so if you could
yes, yes. I
consider
will.
it, please.
I will take it today. No problem. From 2:35, we are going to check your file. Okay, I am giving you 4 minute break. You can take water, whatever you want to go, and please come back at 2:35. I am giving you 4 minute break.
Sir,
Yes, sir, I am not able to upload the file on MS Teams.
Yes, sir, I'm having similar problem.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, your mic is mute.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Yuvraj and Anshuman. Yes, please tell me.
Sir, by mistake, I just uploaded both the files, the last welding file and the new file in the same folder, fittings experiment. Is it fine?
There is no other option to delete it.
No, sir. Wait, I'll see.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, there are several topics in the file, the PDF file, which we have not told in the class. So do we have to write them for the next time? I have written this time.
What is that topic, beta?
Sir, like radial gauge, vertical height gauge, thread gauge, wire gauge.
No, there is no need. There is no need to. Right. Whatever I have explained you in the class, that is more than sufficient.
Okay. Sir, I have already written it.
Yes, sir.
No
Same.
problem. If you have written it.
I have written whole 6 pages of the theory.
No problem. No problem.
Okay, sir. I deleted it and I have put it in the welding section only now.
That is good. That's good.
Okay.
Now I am going to check your file. The student who if the anybody not got the turn today, get the turn today for file checking. Not to worry, the next time I will check your files only. We will not do any experiment. I will take the viva and the file checking only next time, so not to worry. Yes, first is roll number 326, Lakshika.
Yes, sir.
Where is your file, beta? 326, Lakshika, here. Beta, can you tell me what is the difference between V joint and Dovital joint?
So V joint we can directly do that by benchwise, and in the Dovital joint there are several things used like file, chisels.
Okay, can you tell me the complete process to make a V joint?
Okay. Sir, for making a V joint, first of all, the raw material is provided to us. Then we need to use the benchwise for making that V shape by putting it in the benchwise. And then we need to make one cut. Then again we need to take it out.
Firstly, open
Then
your camera, Lakshika. Open your camera.
yes, sir.
Can you tell me any 5 tools which you have used, which you can use during the fitting shop? Any 5 tools?
Okay. Sir, chisels, divider, benchwise, and sorry, divider, marker, and dot punch.
Okay. Okay, good. Now, the second roll number is Sagar Vadva. Roll number 328. Sagar, are you there? Sagar, are you there? Aryaman and Parth Bansal, any doubt, beta?
Sir, no.
Then please don't raise the hand.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Yes, Sagar Vadva, are you there? You are there, beta. Sagar, please reply. Okay. Next student, Aditya Kumar, roll number 329.
Sir, my file is not uploading on MS Teams. I have sent you on WhatsApp.
Okay. I will check it later. No problem. Praswal Goswami.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
Praswal. Yes,
Sir, I
beta.
have put on MS
Sir,
Teams
did
both
you
of the
call my name?
files.
Actually, there is an issue with my laptop.
Okay, Sagar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sagar. I'm going. This is your file only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the use of benchwise in
Sir,
fitting shop?
a benchwise is used to hold the workpiece so that we can work upon it by the other tools.
What is the difference between ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal?
So ferrous metal contains its base as iron. That means there is a high iron content in them, and non-ferrous metals does not contains its base as iron.
Okay. What is the use of hexa
Sir, a
in this
hacksaw,
experiment?
sir, a hacksaw is used to cut the workpiece that is of metal, so that we can acquire the desired shape.
Yes, good. Can you tell me the process to make a V-joint?
So in a V-joint, first of all, we take our workpiece and then we set it on the benchwise in such an angle that we can cut a V shape from it. But we have to use a filer also because we cannot properly cut a V shape. So we use a filer also to remove the extra piece of metal from it.
Yes. Good, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Aditya, your file is not here. You have sent me on the WhatsApp. I will check it later. Prajwal Goswami.
Yes, sir. Sir, I've uploaded both of mine. The last one for reconsideration and this one for submission.
Where it is, beta?
Sir, if you go to the
Here. I'm
yes,
getting
sir.
it. Firstly, I am taking I am checking your fitting shop file, beta.
Okay, sir. Sir, I couldn't put diagrams in that way because sir, I don't know. I think cam scan will glitch in there.
What is the use of hammer in this experiment in the fitting shop, beta?
Sir, hammer in this experiment, if there is some unbow surface, we can use it to like even it out. Agar kuch, sir, wait, let me frame the sentence, sir.
No
सर
problem. You can reply in the Hindi also. No problem at all.
सर जैसे अगर हमारा जो मेटल का वो है एंड उसके अंदर कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो रखा है तो उसे स्मूथ करने के लिए हैमर से धीरे धीरे वो कर सकते हैं
ओके
नहीं एक सेकंड इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में सर हम हैमर से वो डालते हैं अंदर होल करने के लिए होल करते हैं हैमर से इसके अंदर
where you are using where you are doing the hole in this experiment
सर मैं पहले सही था बहुत करेक्ट हो लिया
okay no problem you have to check it again beta what is the use of file
file sir we can use it to even to smoothen the surface of the metal to smooth the yes sir
okay Prajwal thank you the next your one more file is there I need to recheck
yes
right
sir yes sir
okay I will check it give me
sir can you tell the use of hammer in this
you have to check it now it's your turn to give the answer not my turn
okay sir
if still you are not able to find then come back to me I will tell you again but
yes,
your effort is required right now
yes sir
Prajwal Goswami here that is the new file
no sir not that one there will be another one Yeah, that sir. Second last, sir. Second last.
Second last. This one.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as you
Earlier
said,
you
so
got
you
B
gave B plus.
plus.
Yes, sir, because
Yes.
my diagrams were not there. So I made the diagrams.
Where is the water here? When you will just react these two gases, then the water is coming. Water you will collect in any. You can
Sir,
say
due
where
to
the
the
water will go.
sir, I think due to the heat, the water should just evaporate.
Yes.
Sir, here are the diagrams you said to make.
Yes. You have to write the caption also. Whatever it is.
Oh,
What is these? What are these? These are
okay, sir.
cylinder. You have to write. What are you doing here? You have to write here the figure one.
I
This
think, sir, I
diagram
have
is for this
written
one.
gas welding on the top.
Where it is? I'm not able
Oh,
to catch.
I think it didn't come in the photo. Some part of the top is cut. Sir, this is the arc welding one. In this I wrote below.
You have no eraser? Why you have not erased the extra part?
Sir, sorry, I didn't notice that.
Yes, that is okay. I am increasing your marks from B plus to A, right?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. The next student is Shantanu Raj Chaudhary. Are you there, Shantanu?
Sir, I've shared it on your WhatsApp.
Why on WhatsApp?
Sir, I'm not able to upload it on MS Teams.
Okay, no problem. I will check your file later on. Ojas Singh, 332. Ojas Singh, are you there? Ojas absent. Yes. Oh, sorry. Yes, Naman Kataria. Naman, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you uploaded
Yes,
your
sir, I'm
file?
clear. Sir, uploading. Give me a minute, please.
Okay, not to worry. Yuvraj Walia.
Yes, sir, I have uploaded it.
Yes. This is your beta fitting shop experiment.
Yes, sir. Sir, I can't see your screen. Ah, yeah, I can see it.
Very nice diagram, beta.
Thank
Good,
you, sir.
very good. What is the use of vernier caliper, beta? Can you tell me?
Sir, with this instrument, we can measure things accurately.
Okay. What is the use of bench vise?
Sir, to hold our workpiece firmly so that we can work on it.
Can you tell me any 5 tools? Please open your
Yes.
camera.
Sorry, sir.
The student, please open your camera when you are giving the answer. Please open your camera.
Sir, can you see me?
Yes, beta. Yes, Yuvraj. Good.
Sir, 5 instruments. Sir, first of all, tools include hacksaw, which is really important to cut stuff. Then we have center punch to initiate a hole so that drilling can be made easier. Then we have files so that we can smooth the edges. And
Yes.
sir, we have vernier calipers. We have steel rule to
Yes.
measure things. So these
Yes.
5
Good.
things.
Good.
Yeah.
Can you tell me the process to make a V joint?
Sure, sir. First of all, we'll place it on the workpiece. We'll get a workpiece. We'll place it on the bench piece so that we can cut it in a way it's easy for us to cut it with a hacksaw. When we'll cut the V joint, then we have to file it around the corner, around the around the lower point to make it smooth, to make it a perfect V joint.
Okay. Good.
Thank you, sir.
I am marking your marks beta of the first and second experiment. So if you have any doubt to any student, then please tell me.
Sir, I have that welding practical file also uploaded. You wanted to see the diagram, so I have made the diagrams and uploaded it.
Prajwal.
No, sir,
Earlier
Yuvraj.
you got
Yuvraj,
no.
Yuvraj.
Okay, Yuvraj. Earlier you got A.
Yes, sir. Because of the
Right.
diagram you gave me A. Yes, sir.
You are saying you have uploaded in the
Welding
the
practical
welding
file.
experiment.
Yes, sir.
No, it's fine. You also need to write here beta cylinder. Cylinder
Sir,
for gas welding.
I can't see your
Yes.
Where, sir?
Yes. You have made it. Apparatus of gas welding. You have right.
Yes.
Written. No problem.
Actually,
Yes,
this app was not
great.
perfect.
Yes, that's great. Raj, I have converted your marks from A to A plus.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, the next roll number is. एक minute, I am now Shantanu Raj Chaudhary. Not checked earlier also. Naman also not checked. Kushag Jain.
Yes, sir, I have uploaded.
You have uploaded for both one or the you have uploaded for this one only?
Sir, both.
Both. Okay. Kushag Jain. Where is in today date you have uploaded Kushag?
Yes, sir. Sir, there it is.
Where it is?
Kushagra 0335. Sir, niche.
Yeah. This is for the September 16 beta. This is the earlier file.
Sir, I have uploaded that one also. Today's.
In today date, I am not able to find your file beta.
Sir, you are checking welding practical files.
Yes, I am. You have not uploaded for welding today because your marks was B plus.
Yes, sir.
You have not make the diagram.
Sir, I made all the diagrams earlier also.
Okay. Fitting. Push up. Open your camera, Kushak.
Yes, sir.
Why there is a need to ask again and again to each student, please open your camera. So please open it by yourself, beta.
Okay, sir.
Beta, can you tell me the difference between ferrous metal and non-ferrous metal?
So in ferrous metal, iron is the main component, and in non-ferrous metal, other than iron, there is a main component.
That is not the right answer, beta.
Sir, I am not getting that word main component.
What operation you need to do in the fitting shop?
So what, sir? Please be.
What operations you need to do in the fitting shop?
Sir, we have to do chipping.
Yes.
Chipping, filling, tapping, marking, and scribbing.
Okay.
And so fixing also.
Beta, you have not made the diagram for the tools.
Yes, sir. I did not know that we have to make that. So next time, can I show?
Beta, this is the last term. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please complete your file. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I am giving you again the A right now, but
Okay,
if
sir.
you want to improve your marks from B plus to A plus or A, you have to complete it. Okay, Kushak, I
So
am
if I
giving you
will
one
show,
more chance.
so if I will show you the next time diagram, then
Yes, I will improve your marks because in the next term I will check the 353 experiments.
okay,
That
sir.
is that will be the last term to check the 3 experiment. After next term, I will not check any previous experiments. Okay,
Okay,
means the
sir.
next term is the last term to check the previous experiments. The experiment like today I have completed your foundry shop. Next time I will not do any new experiment. I will check your files only.
Okay, sir.
Nikita Sharma.
Yes,
Excuse me,
sir.
sir.
Yes, beta.
Can you please check my file, Naman Kataria?
Naman Kataria. Beta, I think you have sent the file on the WhatsApp, right?
No, sir. It's uploaded on Teams.
Now it's
So I've
uploaded.
just uploaded now. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, I'm going to check with you. All of you, please mute yourself. Lot of voice is coming. Naman. Fitting shop. Can you tell me any 5 tools in fitting shop, beta?
Uh, yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, the scriber, hammer, and sir, there is
Naman, wait.
tapper,
Naman,
dryer.
wait. Naman, wait. Why you are not
Okay,
opening your
sir.
camera?
Sorry, sir.
I asked you to open your camera when you will give the answer. Please open your camera. Okay, beta.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Naman, I'm not able to see you, beta.
Sir, I've opened my camera.
But I'm not able to see you. Okay, not to worry. Yes, your photo is coming now. Yes, Naman. Naman, can you tell me what is the process to do the fitting for T joint? Sorry, V joint. If I want to make a V joint, then how I can make?
So
Complete process.
for V joint, first we have to make the marks. First from the first we have to check the that. Sir, can I speak in Hindi?
Yes, beta, sure. Yes.
तो पहले तो हम जो कॉर्नर है उसके वो चेक करेंगे ट्राई स्क्वायर से कि वो राइट एंगल पे है कि नहीं, फिर उसको फाइल करेंगे। उसके
Yes.
बाद मार्क करेंगे 1 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम बोथ द कॉर्नर्स एंड फिर वाइस पे फिट करके उसको हम वाइस पे फिट करके सर फिर उसको काटेंगे मतलब सेंटर तक। और फिर सेंटर पे जब वो क्लीन जॉइंट नहीं होगा तो उसके लिए सर हम फाइल यूज करेंगे जिससे कि वो शार्प जॉइंट हो सके।
Okay. And here also, beta, you have not made the diagram for the tools.
So I told you in the starting of the meeting that about the confusion of making diagrams.
Okay, I'm giving you A, but you have to make the diagram also. Okay. And the
Okay, sir.
next term, I will check your file again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now for the welding shop also you have uploaded.
Yes, sir. So I think it's in the journal in the, so it's not uploaded in the folder, I think.
Beta, please change the location.
So in the last, नीचे वाली sir, नीचे वाली.
This
Yes sir.
one?
Yes sir.
No, this
Yes
is
sir.
the previous one, beta. Naman, this is only from the September 16. I think this file is this one.
So ये तो
7
fitting
minutes.
shop वाली.
Okay, that is the fitting show. Okay. This one is
welding.
you have uploaded on the September 16 only.
Yes sir. Last time sir, मतलब upload नहीं हो पा रही थी तो last में upload हुई थी. तो आपने कहा था
Okay.
अगली बार check कर लो.
Excuse me,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. Yes, beta.
Sir, roll number 20349.
Yes, Anshuman.
Sir, you told me to ask you at the last about the Dobetal and V joint.
Yes, beta. Wait. Beta, can you tell me? You have not made the any diagram for the arc welding also, beta. Sorry,
So
here
it's
arc welding is there. Gas welding is also there, but you have not made the pick of the cylinders, etc. And can you tell me the what is the difference between arc welding and gas welding?
so in gas welding, so the welding is done by the heat produced by the reaction of gases, and in arc welding, the heat is produced by the combination of two terminals by the
Okay.
spark.
Okay. What maximum temperature you can attain in the gas welding, particularly for the oxidizing flame?
So for gas welding, it is 3000 Kelvin maximum.
Sure.
So 3000 or 2600.
Okay. Okay, Naman.
Okay, sir.
Just 1 second. Now, students, the remaining students, I will check your file, complete file of first, second, and third experiment. I will check it on the next Wednesday, okay, on 30th of September. Okay, not to worry, because the next time we have sufficient time to check the file, because we are not going on for the next experiment in the next term. Okay, today I am just going to cover one doubt of the Anshuman, because only 10 minutes are left, so I want to cover that doubt. Okay, students, any
Excuse me,
doubt?
sir.
Yes.
Sir, will you check both the files in the next class?
3 experiments. The first experiment is if
Okay,
any
sir.
student want to improve the marks in the welding shop, then he can show me also the fitting shop or the foundry shop. I will check the 3 experiments, okay, of each student. Okay, students, any
Please
doubt?
upload the files. So please upload the files for today's experiment.
Yes, I have already uploaded for the welding shop and fitting shop. Today I will upload it for the foundry shop. The PPT, your video of the lecture today video lecture, and your PDF file. I will upload today.
Okay, sir.
Now, I want to take the query. Give me a second.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the fitting shop experiment, do we have to write those bench working processes, marking, chipping, filling?
Yes, you can write. You can write, but that is not compulsory. Anshuman. Anshuman.
Yes, sir.
Now, Anshuman, please see here.
Yes, sir.
This is a workpiece on which I want to cut the V shape. Just 1 second. the firstly I need to fix this shape, this workpiece at an angle to cut the V shape. Okay.
So 90-degree angle with respect to bench wise.
Not to 90 degree. Not to 90 degree. Can you see here the workpiece is here?
Yes, sir, in a triangle like shape.
Yes. Now what you will do, you will cut this like, now I want to make this workpiece like this.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
then what I will do, I will try to cut in this direction. Okay, then after that I will try to cut in this direction. Now what will happen, now this part will come out. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Maybe what happened, the complete piece will not come out. Maybe the from here to here only you are able to cut. Okay, maybe you are not able to cut. I want to cut the shape like this. Yes, you want to cut the shape like this, and
Yes,
you are
sir.
able to cut only this part. Then what you will do, with the help of the file, there are different types of file we have discussed. With the help of the round file or with the help of the different files, you have to remove the extra material.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can't cut directly the complete V shape with the help of the hacksaw.
Okay, sir.
You have to cut small parts, whatever you want, whatever you are able to cut, you have to cut with the help of the hacksaw. Then after that, according to the shape, you have to remove the extra material with the help of the file only.
File. Okay, sir.
Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
On the
This one
similar
understood.
pattern, you have to make the dovetail joint. Okay, like if you are able to cut this material, if you want to make this shape, right?
Yes,
Now
sir.
what you can do, you can make firstly with the help of your hexa, you can make this shape, the simple
Yes, sir.
this shape.
Rectangular
Okay,
like shape.
rectangular type shape. Then after, with the help of your file, you have to make the shape like this,
Circular type.
yes, with the help of the file.
And sir, same case do we have to do in the half round joint?
Yes, same.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, any
Yes,
doubt?
sir. No, sir.
Now students, I want to stop here. Any doubt to any student, please upload your file. I am going to make one more folder for you. Just 1 second. That folder is for the Foundry shop. Okay, I have made it for you. Now you have to upload your fitting file in this folder, Foundry shop in this folder, and welding shop file in this folder. 9th September I have uploaded all the data, and I think we have uploaded the file also. I have uploaded the file also. Where is that file? Here, welding practical files. No, that is not here. I have given you, I think I have given you the PDF file for the welding shop. Here is the file.
Yes, sir.
Gas welding manual, right? And all the PPT and the video is here. I will upload today lecture 23rd of September. I will upload here. Okay, in that file you will get the PPT of today experiment. Then after that you will get the video and your PDF file. Okay, students. Any doubt about today lecture?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, students. Now I am going to take the attendance. Next term is the last term to check the file. All of you please complete your file, whether it is for the first experiment, second experiment, or third experiment. Next term I will check the file only. Okay. After that, I will not check the first, second, and third experiment again. 326, roll number. All of you please open your camera. All of you, please open your camera. Roll number 326. But I think you are mute. Lakshika.
Sir, let me just relog my. I think my camera is
Sir,
not working right
present.
now. Let me just leave and join again. 1 second,
Okay,
sir.
no problem. Sagar.
Present, sir.
Yes, Sagar. Aditya.
Present, sir. Present.
Prajwal. Okay, Aditya. Prajwal.
So he's coming back. He said back
Yes.
now.
Okay. Shantanu Raz.
Present, sir.
Raise your hand. Why you other students? Why you are not opening the camera? Only 6 students have opened the camera. Shantanu Raz.
Present, sir.
Raise your hand. I'm not
Sir.
able to catch you.
Sir, my webcam is not working.
Shantanu, please resolve this issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ojas. Naman.
Present, sir.
Okay, Naman. Yuvraj.
Present, sir.
Where are you, Yuvraj? Yes.
Sir.
Kushag.
Present, sir.
Nikita.
Present, sir.
Okay, Nikita. Pragati. You are mute, beta. Pragati.
Sorry, present, sir.
Okay, beta. Vani. Roll number 38. Aruneet. Roll number 39. Hemang. Roll number 40.
Present, sir.
Roll number 41. Sudhanshu.
Present, sir.
Sir, Prajwal Goswami. Sir,
Yes, Prajwal.
Sir,
Where are
अभी
you?
चला.
Open your camera, Prajwal.
Sir, I just tried to relog. It didn't work. Then I have to do something else with it.
No problem. No problem, Prajwal. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Roll number 42. Aryaman.
Present, sir.
Roll number 44. Dakshkant. Roll number 46. Rakshit.
Present, sir.
Raise your hand. Are you there, Rakshit? Rakshit.
Yes.
Open your camera, beta.
Sir, it's open.
Okay. Aryan, roll number 47.
On available.
Okay. Aryan, roll number 47. Aryan. Nibir.
Sir, present.
Okay, beta. Anshuman.
Present, sir.
Okay, beta. Prapti.
Present, sir.
Prapti, you are absent, beta, in the last lectures. This is your first class.
Yes, sir. I had actually already informed my PL in advance about it because I had an exam. So
Okay.
that's why I couldn't attend the classes.
Excuse me,
Okay,
sir.
Prapti. Wait, beta. Wait 1 minute. Prapti, what you can do, beta? You can check my previous video and my previous material. If you found any problem, then just tell me. I will take your extra class. Okay, Prapti?
Okay, sir.
Just see the videos.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Parts. Yes, the student who is.
Yes, sir. Anshuman. Actually, I was asking if you're done with that attendance, maybe leave.
Anshuman. Wait, beta, wait. I am going to tell the absentee student name because if any absent is done by mistake, then please tell me. Please
Okay,
wait
sir.
for a second. Parth, roll number 51.
Represent Half Pencil.
Roll number 52, Anushka. Roll number 53, Dakshit. Dakshit. Roll number 54, Bhavya.
Present, sir.
Roll number 55, Gitanj. Gitanj. Roll number 56, Sarang.
Present, sir. Present.
Roll number 57, Sarthak.
Present, sir.
Sarthak, open your camera, beta.
Sir, I have opened. Just check it once.
Okay. Now absentees are 32 Ojas, 38 Vani, 39 Arunit, 44 Daksh, 47 Aryan, 52 Anushka, 53 Dakshit, and 55 Gitanj. Okay, students, complete your file. If you have any doubt, then we can discuss in the next class also. Okay, beta. Thank you, sir. You can attend
Thank you,
your
sir.
class.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
beta.
Thank you.
Thank you, bache. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Saab.
Okay, ji. Okay.
Hello.